In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install any apps on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm recently buy this phone. At first, I'm install any apps. Like I'm install my YouTube, open my App Store, search option, search set to YouTube. Okay, I'm already installed this. Like install these apps, select and just press on this option and now install. Just press on to open and you can easily sign in and use these apps. So at first must be connect your so at first must be connect your Apple account, then you can use your App Store.